Like Pankaj Jain sir for the further proceeding. Dear students, here I will ask some riddles. Okay? If you know the answer, you need to come quickly with right answer or wrong, no matter. Yes or no? So my first riddle I am going to ask to the students of class 6th and 7th. Be ready. Born in the ocean and white as snow. Born in the ocean and white as snow. When I fall back to water, I disappear without a trace. What am I? Come with your answer.
Soil.
Say it loudly.
Soil.
Definitely, the right answer is salt. Could you tell me how do we get salt from ocean? What is the process? Okay. Yes, from audience, anyone of class from 6 to 8, 6 to 7, how do we get salt from ocean? What is the process? This is evaporation. Okay. The what we call some water of ocean is what we call we just stuck at the shore of the ocean. Okay, and it is evaporated with the heat of sun, and then salt remains there. Okay, and it is collected. Now next riddle I am going to ask to the students of class 8th. What kind of tree can be fit in your hand? What kind of tree can be fit in your hand? Come with your answer, please.
Palm tree.
Very good. Right answer. The palm tree. Yes, you are right answer. Now next question I am going to ask to the class 7. I am under your face and outside of your mind. I am under your face and outside of your mind. Tell me, what am I? Yes, Russ?
Nose.
No, I'm sorry. Yes? Fine. What am I?
Eyes.
I'm sorry. Okay? Skull. Now I'm going to ask the question to the students of class 11th and 12th. Be ready with answer. 9th, 11th, 10th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Your mom and dad each gave you 23 of these thread-like strands, and they helped you to make you what you are today. Tell me, what are they? I'm just repeating it once again. Your mom and dad each gave you 23 of these thread-like strands, and they helped you to make you what you are today. Tell me, what are they? Come on. None? Chromosomes, a part of a cell in living that decide the sex, character, shape that a person or plants will have. Are you getting my? Next, the last riddle I am going to ask. Any one of you can answer from audience. What can be measured but has no length, width or height? What can be measured but has no length, width or height?
Point.
Point. What can be measured? I'm sorry. What can be measured but has no length, width or height?
So water.
No, I'm sorry.
So length.
No.
Air pressure.
No, I'm sorry.
There are weight.
No, I'm sorry.
So temperature.
Say loudly.
Temperature.
Temperature. That is temperature. Okay? Temperature is the right answer. What can be measured but has no length, width or height? So what is temperature? Can anyone? What is temperature?
Temperature is a unit of measuring heat and cold.
Very good, very right answer. A degree of heating or cooling. Do you know